Making money online with AI. Welcome to the exciting world of making money online using AI. If you've ever dreamed of earning $100 a day from the comfort of your home, you're in the right place. With advancements in artificial intelligence, opportunities to generate income have never been more accessible, especially for beginners. Imagine leveraging cutting-edge technology to create passive income streams or even launching your own online business. In today's economy, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a game changer. From automating tasks to enhancing productivity, AI tools can help you work smarter, not harder. Whether you're interested in freelance gigs, affiliate marketing, or even creating digital products, AI can streamline your efforts and maximize your earnings. This video will guide you through practical steps to harness AI for financial gain, making it easier than ever to tap into this lucrative market. So, if you're ready to explore how AI can transform your financial future, stick around. Let's dive into the strategies that can help you start earning today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think and learn like humans. At its core, AI encompasses various technologies, including machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. For beginners, it's essential to grasp that AI can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions, which opens up a world of possibilities for online income. In the realm of online business, AI can be utilized in numerous ways. For instance, chatbots can enhance customer service by providing instant responses, while AI-driven analytics tools can help you understand market trends and consumer behavior. Additionally, content creation tools powered by AI can assist in generating blog posts, social media content, and even video scripts, saving you time and effort. The importance of AI in enhancing productivity and efficiency cannot be overstated. By automating repetitive tasks and providing valuable insights, AI allows entrepreneurs to focus on strategic decision-making and creative endeavors. Embracing AI in your online business can lead to increased revenue and a more streamlined operation, making it a vital asset in today's digital landscape. As you explore the world of AI for generating income, there are numerous avenues to consider. First, let's look at some popular AI tools and platforms that are beginner-friendly. Tools like ChatGPT for content creation, Canva's AI features for graphic design, and Jasper for marketing copy can help you kickstart your projects without needing extensive technical knowledge. Freelance opportunities are abundant for those who can leverage AI skills. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr offer gigs for AI-related tasks, such as data analysis, chatbot development, and social media management using AI tools. By showcasing your ability to use these technologies, you can attract clients looking for innovative solutions. Additionally, consider passive income ideas that utilize AI technologies. For example, creating and selling AI-generated art or writing ebooks with the help of AI writing assistants can provide ongoing revenue streams. You could also develop online courses teaching others how to use AI tools effectively. By tapping into these profitable opportunities, you can harness the power of AI to create a sustainable income while staying ahead in the digital economy. Starting your AI income journey can be both exciting and rewarding. To begin, follow these step-by-step instructions for setting up AI tools. First, identify the specific AI tools that align with your interests and skills, such as ChatGPT for content creation or Canva for design. Next, create accounts on these platforms and familiarize yourself with their features through tutorials and practice projects. This hands-on experience will build your confidence and expertise. Equally important is establishing a personal brand online. Your brand is how you present yourself to potential clients and customers. Create a professional website or portfolio showcasing your AI projects, skills, and testimonials. Utilize social media platforms to share your insights and connect with others in the AI community. This visibility can attract opportunities and collaborations. Finally, don't hesitate to explore niche markets for AI services. Whether it's offering AI-driven marketing solutions for small businesses or creating personalized chatbots for e-commerce sites, focusing on a specific niche can set you apart from the competition. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to establishing a successful AI income stream. Effectively marketing your AI offerings is crucial for attracting clients and growing your business. One of the most powerful strategies is to leverage social media platforms. Start by identifying where your target audience spends their time, whether it's LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram. Share valuable insights, case studies, and success stories related to your AI services. Engaging posts, infographics, and short videos can capture attention and showcase your expertise. Networking within the AI community is equally important. Attend webinars, workshops, and industry conferences to connect with like-minded professionals and potential clients. Joining online forums and groups dedicated to AI can also provide opportunities to share your knowledge and learn from others. Building relationships in this space can lead to referrals and collaborations that enhance your visibility. Creating engaging content is key to attracting clients. Consider starting a blog or a YouTube channel where you discuss AI trends, tips, and tutorials. This not only positions you as an authority in the field, but also helps potential clients understand the value of your services. By combining these strategies, you can effectively market your AI offerings and build a thriving business. Growing and scaling your AI-based income stream requires strategic planning and effective use of resources. One of the most critical aspects of scaling operations is automation. By automating repetitive tasks such as client onboarding, invoicing, and data analysis, you can free up valuable time to focus on higher-level strategies and client relationships. Automation tools like Zapier and Integromat can help streamline your workflows, making your business more efficient. To manage and expand your AI services, consider utilizing project management and collaboration tools such as Trello or Asana. These platforms can help you organize tasks, track progress, and collaborate with team members or freelancers, ensuring that your projects run smoothly as you scale. Additionally, AI-specific tools like TensorFlow or H2O.ai can enhance your service offerings and improve the quality of your work. Finally, encourage continuous learning to stay updated with AI trends and advancements. Subscribe to industry newsletters, take online courses, and participate in webinars to enhance your skills and knowledge. By staying informed, you can adapt your services to meet evolving market demands, ensuring sustainable growth for your AI business. Starting an AI business can be an exciting venture, but beginners often encounter several common challenges along the way. One major pitfall is the overwhelming amount of information available, which can lead to confusion about where to start. To overcome this, focus on a few key resources, such as online courses from platforms like Coursera or Udacity, that provide structured learning paths tailored for beginners. Another challenge is the technical complexity of AI tools and technologies. Many newcomers may feel intimidated by programming languages or data analysis. A practical solution is to start with user-friendly AI platforms like Google AutoML or Microsoft Azure, which offer intuitive interfaces and require minimal coding knowledge. Additionally, beginners may struggle with marketing their services effectively. To tackle this, consider joining online communities or forums where you can share your work and receive feedback. Lastly, maintaining a growth mindset is essential. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and improve. Remember that setbacks are part of the journey. By staying adaptable and open to new ideas, you can navigate obstacles and build a successful AI business. In this video, we've explored several key strategies for making money online with AI. We started by understanding the basics of AI and its applications, highlighting how tools and platforms can help you generate income. We discussed identifying profitable opportunities from freelance gigs to passive income ideas, and emphasized the importance of setting up your AI income stream through effective marketing and networking. As we wrap up, remember that taking action is crucial. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. Whether it's experimenting with AI tools, building your personal brand, or exploring niche markets, every step you take brings you closer to your goals. If you found this content valuable, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more insights on AI and online income strategies. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or anyone interested in diving into the world of AI together. We can build a community of learners and entrepreneurs ready to harness the power of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.